Hi, welcome to Watson's Get Active Expert Tip, World Diabetic Exclusive. My name is Ruby, Watson's pharmacist. Here are some lifestyle tips that are beneficial for diabetics. Number 1, choosing a healthy diet and the right portion of meal are crucial in maintaining your blood sugar level. Number 2, limit your carbohydrate intake and choosing food with low glycemic index between a scale of 1 to 55 can help to better manage your blood sugar level. Examples of food that are low glycemic index are such as non-starchy vegetables, whole grain breads, bran cereal, and brown rice. Number 3, limit your daily intake of sugary drinks to avoid spike in your blood sugar level. You can replace your regular sugary drinks with grain-based drink or use a sweetener to replace your sugar. Number 4, reduce intake of unhealthy fats such as processed meat, butter, and also high sodium diet intake to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and high blood pressure. Number 5, remember to check your blood sugar regularly to better manage and aim to achieve your blood sugar level within the healthy range. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.